All videos are available in 3 languages, English, Malay and Tamil. Check my links below and choose the best video for you. Shall we begin? Celebrating Chinese New Year this year, my mum would like to share a very old recipe she learned from her Chinese neighbours back in the day. You've guessed it, it's an authentic sweet-sour chicken dish. Sweet and sour chicken. Ingredients. You will need 500 grams of chicken. For the vegetables, you'll need 8 small green chillies, 6 cloves of garlic, 2 red onions, 2 inches of ginger, half a capsicum, red, yellow and green, and 10 cherry tomatoes, half a teaspoon of salt and black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cornflour, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of water and 1 egg yolk. For the sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of thick soy sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil, a tablespoon of cornflour, 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 2 tablespoons vinegar and 4 teaspoons light brown sugar. 3/4 cups of plain water. Marinate the chicken with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 lovely golden egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of water, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This is important for a crispy batter. And today I'm using Sarawakian black pepper. Interestingly, one of the best in the world, it seems. I think it has a strong kick, and if you're in Malaysia, go ahead and buy it. In goes 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Mix everything together. Marinate the chicken for at least half an hour, and in that time, chop all of your vegetables. Our vegetables look auspiciously beautiful. Now let's continue, shall we? Heat oil for deep frying. Fry the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes in medium heat until just cooked through. Take it out and let it cool down for 5 minutes. Reheat the oil in high heat and fry the chicken once again. This is called double frying. By doing double frying, you get very crispy chicken without losing the rich juiciness inside. Frying for too long in one go can dry the chicken up. Once nicely golden brown like this, take the chicken out. Let's prepare the sweet and sour sauce. In 3/4 cups of plain water, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of thick soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornflour, and 4 teaspoons of light brown sugar. Ignore the cloves in the sugar. We put that in there so that we don't get ants. And that's grandma's tip. Mix everything well and everything is set to go. Now heat some oil used to fry the chicken and saute the ginger for 1 minute. Then add the garlic and continue sauteing for 1 minute. Next, green chillies. Red onions. Spend another 2 to 3 minutes until everything becomes fragrant. Then we can add the tomatoes, the red capsicum, the yellow capsicum, and the green capsicum. Stir fry the veggies for 1 or 2 more minutes. Now keep stirring and slowly add in the sauce. As you stir the sauce, the cornflour will help thicken it, and with time and patience, the sauce will eventually turn silky and glossy. Add half a teaspoon of salt to the now glossy sauce. After a few minutes, the sauce will get very thick and sticky and bubbling away. Now this is the best time to add the chicken. Coat the chicken with the luscious sweet and sour sauce. Serve everything and enjoy with rice and hot oolong tea. Happy Chinese New Year!